Hey guys, hello, we keep it dirty. Today, we got a cool opportunity with the truck that we're going to share with you guys. This video is going to be released well after this was recorded, but basically, we're doing a photo shoot for Volvo Parts as part of the launch of their new wheels.
Introducing the all-new 4WP Factory T-Series wheels.
So we're going to have a ton of info, a ton of video, going to show you guys how these shoots normally happen. You know, what do they normally do? They're a lot of fun because you basically get paid to off-road and show off your truck, which is so cool. But yeah, so it's going to be a launch for Volvo Parts brand new wheels, 17-inch wheels for the Raptor. They're supposed to be their trail-rated wheels, which we'll see how they hold up. We've already taken a look at them. They're pretty good. It's not normally a style that I would pick, but it's actually, they look pretty good on the truck. And to top it off, they put BFG KM3s on the truck to match. Yes, KM3s. And unfortunately, they did 37s, which that means a shit ton of rubbing. You guys know my stance on that. What does it take to fit 37s on a Raptor?
$30,000.
And a lot of banging. But check it out. I'm going to show you guys the day of how, you know, what we did with the guys from Volvo Parts as we shoot this video. So hope you guys enjoy it. Now, first step was to get the truck ready. Yeah, I know the channel's name is Keep It Dirty, but we had to get her clean. And we had to also unload most of our gear because they wanted a clean bed and they wanted the lights down. So, got the truck ready, give her a nice little wash, got it all nice and clean, and ready for the shoot. So we met in Johnson Valley. The whole shoot was in Johnson Valley, and we finally got a chance to look at the wheels. And it came with these pre-production caps with these red logos. Unfortunately, this red logo is not going to make it to the actual production wheels that are available now. It's going to be all black. But we did get a chance to keep those, so I think we're going to rock those. I kind of like the way those look. I know, look at that shit. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They're not necessarily a problem in the back, but in the front, they will rip shit out.
Sure. Well, you're going to lift it anyway, right?
Well, it's got the eye box, so it's got a, was it 1.75 lift on there, but that's still not enough to avoid rubbing. To kind of limit the exposure of these wheels too, we did the actual installation of the wheels and mounted them on the actual trail, and what a difference. I mean, 37s right off the bat look even better. The KM3s look much, much meaner. And even though this is not a style that I would normally pick for my truck, they actually look really, really good on the truck. So I was actually blown away by how this thing came out. Right now, we're sitting at this cool spot, this really cool overlook that I'm going to show you guys while they get the drone out and film. Got this really cool overlook here in Johnson Valley. One of the lake beds. Down that way is King of Hammers. Wind is kicking up really, really bad. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, and then where's the drone? Should open up the window, find out where the drone is. Let's see. There's the drone doing its thing. Filming the truck. Well, not really the truck, the wheels. It wants the wheels, but there it is. Camera crew's down there. Support crew's over there. Next, they had the Treco Plains sandy section. Unfortunately, we cracked our exhaust here. The exhaust broke right on the actual welds, but it was totally worth it once you guys see the clips. I think that's really fun. Next, it was time to get some shots of the truck on some rocks, so we picked this cool little spot. These clips are kind of cool because they let you into some of the magic that goes into making these clips and these pictures and these videos look cool, and it's not what you think. It involves throwing shovels of dirt and using leaf blowers. You're gonna see some movie magic. That is so movie magic. Dude, look at that.
Now we need you to go out back door after this.
Where's back door?
That's what the rock crawlers go for the race.
Oh, fuck that. Oh, that little... Hell no.
Like a 10-foot waterfall.
Now, finally, we ended up going to a dry lake bed to do some static shots, some sunset shots, and then do some high-speed pass shots, too. This part was a lot of fun. Just kind of repositioning the truck and getting the best light possible. It was really cool. So here they are, guys. Here are the wheels from 4 Wheel Parts. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We really wanted to show you guys what goes into some of these shoots. If you want to get more info on the wheels, go to 4wheelparts.com. A couple of highlights for you guys. They're going to be available in a couple sizes for like Jeeps, Tacoma, Chevys, and Fords. Come in 17-inch, simulated beadlock. They have a 2,500 pound weight rating. They come with a lifetime structural warranty, which is really cool. 2-year finish warranty. And also, the price is right. I think they're under $200. If I remember right, they're in the 180 mark for the Raptor wheels, which is a really, really good price. So go check them out. They also gave us some KM3s to go with them. Now, unfortunately, these are 37, so that's one of the reasons why they're not on the truck. They didn't want us to show these wheels off too much because we got them before they were released. And then second, these are 37s. I can't really wheel as hard as I want to with 37s because I haven't done any of the trimming or anything like that that's required. So we're looking at a couple options. 4 Wheel Parts did say that they were going to switch us out for 35, so we don't have to worry about any trimmings. If they end up coming through with that, you'll see us do a full-on trail review of the 35-inch KM3s for the Raptor, and we're going to let you guys know how they hold up. If you guys seen our videos, you guys saw how bad the KO2s have held up, so hopefully these hold up better. At least that's the hope from my side. But if they don't switch us out, then we got to figure out a way to fit these 37s on here with our limited budget. So that may be coming soon too. We may have to figure this out with our limited budget. So we're going to look at a couple options there. But to end this off, guys, we wanted to show you guys the actual production release video that the 4 Wheel Parts team created. And just for my benefit, because it was just so cool having my truck be a part of this, you're going to see a little red outline on the frames when my truck shows up. So all those red outline frames you see on there are my truck. And it was just one of those things we're really proud of that we got to be a part of this release. So go check it out, guys. Don't forget to go check out 4 Wheel Parts. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Introducing the all-new 4WP Factory T-Series wheel. A trail-ready, go-anywhere wheel that transforms the appearance of your vehicle while providing the durability off-road enthusiasts demand. The new T-Series wheels strike the perfect balance of style and rugged performance, whether out on the trail or out in the open country. Available in bronze and satin black finishes with a wide range of fitments, featuring split-spoke design and simulated beadlock ring. Utilizing roll-formed construction, the new T-Series wheels are stronger and lighter than standard cast wheels, and are backed by a lifetime structural warranty and 2-year finish warranty. 4WP factory wheels, uncompromising quality, progressive style, and direct-to-you value. Stop by one of our 95 stores nationwide to see the new 4WP factory wheels, and visit 4wp.com/factory to learn more.